One of the first vegetables to emerge in spring is also one of the most delicious. We're talking asparagus on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
So if you want to grow asparagus at home, there's a few key things you need to keep in mind when you are getting started. Asparagus is going to grow its most productive self with full sun. And then you need to prepare that site. Make sure that you address the weeds completely before you start your asparagus plants. I recommend a soil test to make sure that you start your plants off right. An asparagus patch, if properly maintained, can last for decades. So when you order your asparagus plants, they're going to come as a crown. I like to plant mine in a trench, spaced about 12 inches apart. At the bottom of my trench, I have fertilized according to my soil test, and then what I do is I lay my asparagus crown in the trench and cover it with 2 inches of soil, water it, keeping it moist, and as I get more growth, I'm going to slowly backfill until the soil is level. So when you first plant asparagus, you need to have a little patience. We're not going to go into heavy harvest till at least year 3. For more information on how you can start your own asparagus patch at home, head to go.osu.edu/extension today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.